New and improved price. Beautifully updated home which includes 4/5 bedroom, 2 full baths featuring a brand new roof and stylish upgrades throughout. The main and lower levels showcase brand new LVP flooring, complemented by recessed lighting and replaced bay windows with energy-efficient double-hung vinyl windows. This is a great floor plan. From the moment you enter through the front door, this leads you into the living room and dining room. The stunning new kitchen is located off the dining room and offers quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and modern finishes perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Enjoy flexible living space with a dedicated office or optional 5th bedroom, plus a spacious recreation/family room in the beautifully finished basement. The oversized laundry room provides excellent storage and functionality. Both bathrooms have been tastefully updated, including a gorgeous mosaic shower floor and custom tile. The upper level has 3 nice-sized bedrooms and a full bath. Step outside to an oversized backyard featuring both a patio and deck, along with a separate dog pen, ideal for pets, gatherings, and outdoor enjoyment. Close to public transportation, easy access to the parkway and expressway along with shopping and fine dining in close proximity.